Hey there, today we're going to look at how to add Canva resume to Wix website. So let's get started. First, open Canva and go to your resume. Over here, click on share in the top right corner. After that, click on download and change the file type to PNG. Then click download to save it to your computer. Then go to the Wix editor. Over here, go to pages and menu and select the page where you want to add the resume. After that, click Add Elements in the top left corner. Then go to Image, click Upload and Import. Then select Upload from Computer. Over here, find your PNG file and click Open. After the upload is done, click Add to Page and place the image where needed. Now, if you want the links on your resume to remain clickable, go back to Canva. Over here, click Share, then tap More and select the option to create a public view link. After that, copy the link. Then go back and click on See All under More options. After that, click Embed and then tap Embed again to get the HTML embed code. Copy that code. Then in the Wix editor, click Add Elements, then search for HTML. After that, click Embed HTML and paste the code. Then click Update. You can resize it as needed, and when you publish, the resume will be interactive. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.